This message is transmitted at the request of the Adams County Police Department. All stations in this area shall transmit this message. Today, at approximately 10:30 p.m., a missing child was reported. The child in question has been identified as a little girl who has brown hair and was last seen carrying a pink backpack with orange stripes. If you spot this child or have any further information, please contact Adams County Police immediately. This is the Adams County Police, signing off. We thank you for your cooperation at this time. This message is transmitted at the request of the Adams County Police Department. All stations in this area shall transmit this message. Unfortunately, we have another report regarding about a missing person. The missing person is a woman who has been identified as Jennifer Jones. She was last seen driving a black BMW and has not been since yesterday. There has been some suspicion after screaming sounds were heard at the exact place she went missing. We cannot confirm if this was the result of a kidnapping or a murder, but she has yet to be found, including the missing child that was reported as of yesterday. We do not have any further information at this time. This is the Adams County Police, signing off.
You must die.
This message is transmitted at the request of the Adams County Police Department. All stations in this area shall transmit this message. We have some disturbing news. There is breaking news reporting that a woman has been brutally murdered. Her corpse has been found and has been shown to have multiple stab wounds. Security camera footage has been found, showing an armed male with a knife and wearing a white mask with a hoodie attacking the victim. Our thoughts and prayers are with the families and friends affected by this situation. If you see the killer or know anything about them, dial 911 and wait for the police to take action on this matter. This is the Adams County Police, signing off. This message is transmitted at the request of the Adams County Police Department. All stations in this area shall transmit this message. Please stand by. A man in a mask and hoodie is now currently carrying a chainsaw and brutally murdering anything he sees in his path. We advise all residents to stay indoors during this time. Do not approach this man. He is extremely dangerous and will show no mercy to anybody. It has become clear now that this man is specifically targeting women. If you come into contact with this killer, you are good as dead. You will not be able to run from him. This is the Adams County Police, signing off.
Oh, look at what we have here. You will make a nice addition to my collection.
Please pay attention. This is an emergency. This message is transmitted at the request of the Adams County Police Department. All stations in this area shall transmit this message. The murderer, who has no identity, currently on a violent rampage shooting any woman or child he sees on sight. There have been 10 casualties so far and counting. The killer also has used their blood to write a message on people's houses reading, "You're next." We also have seen the killer planting bombs under people's houses. They are expected to detonate within 2 hours. It is no longer safe in Adams County. You must now run for your lives. God bless you all. This message is transmitted at the request of the Adams County Police Department. All stations in this area shall transmit this message. We have some important news regarding the shooter that has killed multiple people. The killer has now set fire to a hospital and multiple buildings. He has also been seen breaking into people's houses and burning people, particularly women, alive. You are advised to stay away home as far as possible. It is estimated that the killer will attempt to break into every home until every woman has been slaughtered. Police are currently on this situation and are searching for the murderer. Anybody deemed as violent will now be shot on sight. Once the threat has been cleared, an emergency action termination will occur. During this time, you may use anything by your own means to defend yourself from this man. This can vary from guns, knives, and baseball bats. A massive reward is available for anybody who catches this cold killer. You will not face criminal punishment if you defend yourself. This is the Adams County Police, signing off. This message is transmitted at the request of the Adams County Police Department. All stations in this area shall transmit this message. We now have some good news. The murderer, who has been identified as Jerry J. Clark, has been arrested by the police. They were caught trying to place a bomb next to a school. A police officer noticed them and arrested them. He is currently awaiting trial and is refusing to say anything on this matter. You are now safe to exit your homes. This is the Adams County Police, signing off.